Today we will be showing you how to install a Valuxhome electric 50-inch black recessed or wall-mounted fireplace. We will actually be doing a recessed DIY into a custom-built wall for this 50-inch fireplace. First, you want to remove your fireplace from the actual shipping box, as you're seeing us do right now. Your new Valuxhome fireplace comes with very detailed instructions on installation, whether you are doing a flush mount or a recessed wall mount like we're doing. It has the full measurements that you'll need to build your wall. The first step is to remove the flush mount back panel. It requires removing 4 screws. This is the easy mount panel if you should decide that you're going to do a flush mount surface mount to your wall only. Once that panel has been removed, you're going to want to remove the safety screw so you can remove the glass from the front of your fireplace. There are 2 safety screws, one on either end of the fireplace. Once both the screws have been removed, it is then very easy for you to lift out the front glass panel of your fireplace. I highly recommend that you take it and put it someplace very safe until you're ready to install. We have chosen to use a blanket to line our sofa and put the glass face down onto the sofa until we're ready to utilize it. As I mentioned before, we're doing a recessed fireplace installation. Here's a look at a few of the measurements that we have already done for our pre-built wall to have the fireplace installed. We are also planning on doing a tile facade on the wall, so we have installed Durarock cement board, and you can see we also have a power source located directly behind the wall that we have built. So we will have power in place for the fireplace. We take one last check to make sure that the opening we have provided is the exact measurements for our new 50-inch Valuxhome electric fireplace. This will make sure that the installation of our recessed fireplace will go very smoothly. Notice that the depth is the exact depth that we need to set the fireplace easily in and then install the screws. At this point, you'll want to undo your power source, feed it through the wall so that it's ready to plug in on the other side, lift your unit, and place it into the wall directly. Once in the wall, it's literally 2 screws and the unit is secure. The fireplace slides directly into the opening. The fireplace will sit in place until you're ready to go ahead and put in your mounting screws. There's 2 mounting screws, one on each side. Because it's going directly into studs, you will want to pre-drill the wood prior to putting the screws in so you don't strip your screws. Your screws are provided in a bag with anchors. At this point, you will not need the anchors because we are going directly into 2x4 studs. You use a drill and drill those drywall screws directly into your unit. You will repeat the process directly to the other side. Once you've repeated the process to the other side, the fireplace will be securely held in place. You can go ahead and plug it in and make sure that everything is working properly. And voila! With the click of your remote control and a little bit of power, there are your beautiful flames on your new fireplace. You may notice that the LED lights at the very bottom are very, very bright currently. We still need to put in the filtered light source at the bottom. Included in your box, you will notice there is a filter strip, and all you have to do is simply snap it into the bottom of the fireplace, like so. Once the filter has been added, you can add the decorative rocks and decorative logs to your fireplace and snap the glass back in place. It's just an easy snap right back onto the front. You'll notice there are 2 hooks on either side of the fireplace. It simply slides right back into place. That's how easy it is. And there is the finished product. That is a beautiful fireplace. Now all we have to do is add all our tiles around. And here is our completed finished product for our one-room challenge reveal. We have the tile installed. Here's the fireplace. It is beautiful. We've even got a mantle up above. Those flames are gorgeous. We'd also like to talk a little bit about all the different color changing flames that are options on this particular fireplace. They are truly beautiful for a one-of-a-kind experience.